Visit Tuscany.com. Panforte, traditional Tuscan recipes. Place honey, icing sugar and water in a small pan and melt them over a low heat. In a large bowl, place the almonds, candied orange and citron peel, flour and spices for Panforte, and mix with a spoon. Pour the honey syrup into a bowl. Mix again. Line a cake tin with parchment paper. Pour the mix into the tin and level the surface with a spoon. Dust the surface with icing sugar and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. When ready, dust the Panforte again with icing sugar. Panforte ingredients: 350 grams of almonds, 150 grams of candied orange peel, 150 grams of candied citron peel, 150 grams of flour, 10 grams of spices for Panforte, 5 grams of coriander seeds, 3 grams of maces, 1 gram of cloves, 1 gram of nutmeg, 150 grams of honey, 150 grams of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of water. Method: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and toast the almonds for a few minutes. In a large bowl, add the toasted almonds, the flour, the finely chopped orange and citron candied peels, and the spices. Stir to mix. Line an 18 cm round cake tin with parchment paper. In a small saucepan, melt the honey and the icing sugar with 3 tablespoons of water over low heat. Pour the syrup into the bowl with all the other ingredients and stir with a spoon to mix everything. It will be very hard dough. Scoop the dough into the cake tin and smooth the surface with a spoon. Dust the surface with icing sugar and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the Panforte from the oven. Let cool slightly and then remove from the baking tin. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale Ente Nazionale Sordi Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.